Claude is one of the most powerful AI tools available in 2026, but most people who try it for the first time only scratch the surface. They type one question, get one answer, and never use it again. That's a mistake. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Claude the right way. From signing up to writing your first prompt to the 5 things that turn Claude from a chatbot into a real assistant. By the end, you'll be using Claude better than 90% of people. First, what is Claude? Claude is an AI assistant made by a company called Anthropic. It launched in 2023 and has quietly become the favorite AI tool for serious users, writers, lawyers, programmers, researchers. Unlike some other tools, Claude is built to think carefully, write naturally, and tell you when it doesn't know something. Step 1. How to sign up. Open your browser and go to claude.ai. Click sign up. You can use a Google account, Microsoft account, or email. No credit card required. The free tier is generous. Step 2. Understanding the interface. When Claude opens, you'll see a clean chat window. Type your question in the box at the bottom. Press enter. Claude responds. Each conversation is called a chat. You can have many chats running at the same time. Step 3. How to write your first prompt. This is where most people go wrong. They type something like, write me an email. That's too vague. Instead, give Claude context. Tell it who you are, what you want, and who it's for. The more context you give, the better the answer. Step 4. The 5 things Claude does best. Number 1. Writing. Claude is widely considered the best AI for writing in 2026. Emails, articles, resumes, social posts, scripts. Number 2. Summarizing. Drop a long article or PDF into Claude and ask, summarize this. Saves hours every week. Number 3. Coding. Claude is one of the most accurate coding assistants available. Number 4. Thinking through problems. Ask it about a decision you're stuck on. Number 5. Learning. Ask Claude to explain a complex topic faster than any textbook. 3 tips most people miss. Tip 1. You can upload files. Claude reads PDFs, Word documents, images, and code files. Just click the paperclip icon. Tip 2. You can ask Claude to take on a role. Tell it, you are an expert marketing strategist. Claude shifts its tone to match. Tip 3. If an answer isn't quite right, don't start over. Just reply, this is too long, make it shorter. Claude refines its answers like a real assistant. Use Claude this way for 1 week and you'll never go back to Google. Subscribe to TamcastHub for more.